Good morning, everybody. We are Group 9 of 5D. My group members are Abhinav Taneja, Ira Singh, Nitya Karir, and myself Pratyak Seni. We are going to perform an experiment to show the action acid and base. Our experiment name is Sparkling Volcano because of the fizz and bubbles created during the reaction.
For this experiment, we need the glass container, baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, and sparkles of elixir. My friend Ira Singh is using a model of a mountain to show the volcano eruption.
Now, let me show you what we need to do for this experiment. First, we put 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda in the bottom of the container. Now we add 6 to 7 drops of food coloring and 1 to 2 teaspoons of glitter. Quickly, we pour 1 to 2 cups of vinegar in it. You can also wear glasses to protect the eyes on the bubbles coming out from the glass.
Now, I'll explain how fizz or bubble volcano was created. Acid and bases are two specific type of chemical. Vinegar is an acid and baking soda is a base. When vinegar and baking soda mixes together, it creates a chemical reaction. When two reacts, carbon dioxide gas is produced. This causes fizz or bubble volcano to be formed and other material like sparkles to rise out of the container quickly, and the sparkles are carried away with the carbon dioxide gas.
Precautions we should take while doing this experiment are work on flat and stable surface. Do not touch your eyes, nose and mouth while doing this experiment.
Do not wear loose clothes while doing the experiment. Do not sniff the chemical fuse. Disperse the waste properly.
Thank you for watching us.
Good
That was
morning.
very nice.
Very nice. We saw the experiment. Okay, tell me, till you didn't add the vinegar, everything was in its place. But as soon as you added the vinegar, everything came out. So why did it happen, Ira? Yes, Ira, tell me. Ira, we can't hear you. I think there is some problem. Nitya, can you answer?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, the reaction takes place on adding vinegar because vinegar is an acid and baking soda is a base. When acid and bases mixes together, it creates a chemical reaction. When two react, carbon dioxide gas is produced. This causes fizz or bubble to be formed and other ingredient to rise out of the container quickly, and the sparkles are carried away with the carbon dioxide gas.
Oh God. Thank you. You were really good. Okay.
Okay, children, tell me something. You used baking soda in to create your volcano along with the vinegar. Can you give me some more uses of baking soda in our everyday life? Where do you use it otherwise? Where will I use it? Yes.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, you can answer. Yes.
Ma'am, it is used in cake flour, idli batter and dhokla batter so that these things could rise and become fluffy.
Okay, fine. Any other place you would you use baking soda? Any other examples? It is also used as washing clothes or cleaning surfaces. Baking soda is also used for cleaning surfaces. Okay, it wipes away the grease which is present on surfaces very easily. Thank you, children. Very well done. And that was a very nice volcano that you showed us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, children.
Good morning, everybody. We are Group 1 of 5D, and my group members are Shweta, Rinda Bhutani, Alvin Joseph, and me, Sethango Khabang. We are going to perform an experiment to show the process of oxidation. The name of the experiment is apple oxidation.
For this experiment, we need the following things: 6 dice pieces of apple, 6 bowls, tonic water, lemon juice, and vinegar.
Let me now show you how we learned about oxidation in apple. We have taken 6 pieces of apple in 6 small bowls. Then we add water, soda, vinegar, lemon juice, cracked tonic water in first 5 bowls and reach the 6th bowl with a piece of apple as it is. That is, the last piece is not kept in any liquid. After some time, we observe that apple piece kept without any liquid changes color. It turns brown. The apple piece kept in soda also changes color, but at a slower rate. The apple piece in the vinegar has little brown spots. The apple piece in the water also changes color, but only a tiny bit. But we observe that apple piece kept in lemon juice and tonic water did not change its color.
Now let me tell you what is this browning in the first 3 apples. When apple comes in contact with the oxygen in air, the color changes. The juices in apple reacts with the oxygen present in air, making it become brown. This browning process in apple is called oxidation. Lemon juice and tonic water contains acid which prevents oxidation in apple.
The precautions for the experiment are: make sure that you work on flat and stable surface while working with the liquids. Avoid touching your mouth, eyes, and nose while doing the experiment. Use diced apples and consume or store the remaining apples in an airtight container to prevent oxidation of apples.
Thanks for watching us.
Okay, that was very well done. Okay, tell me something. How is lemon juice going to prevent oxidation? What does this lemon juice does? Yes, Alvin?
Ma'am,
Can you come closer to your mic, Alvin? I can't hear you better.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the lemon juice creates a protective layer as it doesn't allow the air to get through, stopping the process of oxidation.
Okay, so it forms a protective layer on top of the apple. That's what you mean to say? Thank you. Very good, Alvin.
Okay, children, you just talked about apple. Can you tell me where else do you see oxidation happening around you other than the food items? Yes, Vrinda?
Ma'am, rusting of iron and corrosion of copper.
Okay, great. Very good, beta. Very good. Well done, group. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We are group number 2 of 5D. My group members are Ethan Jatotno, Shiza Chatterjee, Aditya Pandey, me, Srishti Karketa. We are going to perform an experiment to show why an orange and a sweet lime sink or float in the water. The name of our experiment is Dancing Fruits.
To do this experiment, the things that we need are 2 sweet limes, 1 unpeel and 1 peel, 2 oranges, 1 unpeel and 1 peel, 1 4-glass container. Note, the container should be big enough to put the fruits into water.
Let me now show you what we did in our experiment. First, we filled the container 3/4 with water. Slowly and carefully, we placed an unpeeled orange and sweet lime in the container. We observed that the unpeeled orange and sweet lime floated on water. Then we carefully placed a peeled orange and sweet lime in the other container. We observed that the peeled orange and sweet lime sinked in water.
Now let me explain what happened. The orange and the sweet lime with peel float in the water. This is because the peel has tiny pores which are filled with air. When we put this fruit in the water, it displaces some amount of water. The weight of the water displaced is more than the weight of the orange. Therefore, the fruit floats. On the other hand, when we remove the peel from the fruits and put it in water, it sinks. This is because the air pockets are removed with the peel. The weight of the water displaced by the peeled fruits is less than the weight of the peeled fruit. Therefore, the fruit sinks.
Precautions. Make sure that you work on a flat and stable surface while dealing with the liquids. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, mouth while doing with experiments. We should make sure that the water used and our hands are clean while handling the fruits, so that they may be consumed later as a whole or in form of juice.
Okay, good morning. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Did well. Okay, one question is coming to my mind. You had peeled the lime and the orange. Okay. If I take those lime and orange and I tie it in a cotton cloth and I put it in the water, will it sink or float? Until unless the cloth will not get. Tell me.
Ma'am, they will sink.
They will sink. Why? You should know why, no? Why will they sink?
Ma'am, because the weight is more.
Okay, but will the cotton cloth help it to float or not?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Shiza. Right. Why?
Ma'am, because the cotton cloth doesn't have any air pockets that could help the fruit in floating.
Thumbs up. Thank you. Over to you, Anjali.
Okay, children, tell me, can you give me some more examples from your daily life where air helps the things to float? Yes, Ethan?
Ma'am, like balloons.
What?
Balloons
Balloons, okay.
and
Yes.
ships.
And ship, okay. Yes, Shiza, you were also raising hand. You want to add something?
Ma'am, life jackets.
Life jackets, yes, we wear life jackets when we go for boating and all. Yes, yes, Rishti, you want to add something? Anybody else who wants to add any more example? Yes, Rishti?
Ma'am, floater when we go to swimming, that
Oh,
we use floater.
okay, you use those tubes. All right. Very good, children. Well done. Good examples. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.